This is day 24 in the 30 days of code challenge. The exercise is called more linked lists. We need to complete a function called remove duplicates so that it deletes any duplicate nodes from the list and returns the head of the updated lists. If you look at the editor, they provide a node class. Every node is going to have a value as data and a next pointer. By default, this is going to be null. Then they have this solution class, and this is the function that we need to complete. Underneath these methods, they have the insert method to add nodes to the list. They have this display method to print the data in the list. In the main function here, they create a head node, then a solution object, and here they build the list and then they call the remove duplicate methods. I'm going to paste the solution. So we have the node pointer. This is what it returns. In other words, it should return the head of the list, then the name of the function, and the head node as the parameter. If the head is not null, then we'll get a reference to the head nodes and use that reference to traverse our list. As we traverse our list, we need to make sure that we have two consecutive nodes to compare. So at any iteration, we're going to grab our current nodes and verify if we have a next node to compare it with. And if we do, then we're going to compare their data. And if it's the same, then we'll get a reference to the next node, which is this one right here, the node that follows the current one in this iteration. And then we'll redirect the next pointer of this temp node, this one, to the one that comes after the next node. In other words, we want to delete this one because it's a duplicate. But if we delete it, then we lose the connection inside our list. So we need to shift the next pointer of this temp node to the one that comes after temp.next. We'll skip this one, temp.next, and connect temp with the one after this one. So that is what this logic is doing. Then we delete the duplicates. But if there's no duplicates in this iteration, then we just proceed and move through our list nodes by nodes. When we're done, we return the heads. So that's it for the entire code. We've passed the sample test case. I'm submitting it now, and we've passed all the test cases. So that's it for this HackerRank challenge. It was called more linked lists. If you like my solution, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.